Well, hey everybody, thank you for stopping by. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Hit that bell so you'll miss out any of my videos. I want to first start thank the Lord for allowing me to prepare this meal. I'm gonna fix some shrimp fried rice, and y'all come on and cook along with me. Thank you, Jesus, for letting me, giving me a meal to cook, a full meal, and thank you for letting me be able to share it with my family. So y'all come on, let's cook. Okay. I done already pre-washed my shrimps. I got some big ones. Yeah, they're the big ones, Jones. Okay, I'm gonna season these. I'm gonna put some pepper on there. These the shrimps I use. Wait a minute, I'm gonna show you. These are the shrimps I use, jumbo. They're raw. I'm gonna cook them. However many you're gonna cook, that's how many bags, that you would need. I'm using my soul food seasoning, as always. And I'm also put a little bit of garlic pepper seasoning in there. Just a little bit. What I didn't do was preheat my skillet. I'll put that between 4 and 5. And I will use some grapeseed oil. I say about 2 tablespoons of grapeseed oil. And I will use two tablespoons of pure vegetable oil. Okay. I've already pre-cut up my onions. I cut up 2 onions because I'm gonna put onions in here while I cook my shrimp. And then when I put my rice in there, I will I put the onion in there when I the other rest of the onions in there when I put my peppers and stuff in there. Then get my rice and wash it off. Get everything ready. And like I say, you measure it to how much you're gonna be cooking. This is gonna be like I said, I eyeball like this. I'm cooking, so I'm gonna put I guess about a cup of rice. To this make sure I put a cup of rice. That's about a cup right there. Okay, I'm finna wash it off. Wash it off. This way everything will be ready. Rice and stuff cook the shrimp. These are not done. These are the raw ones, so I'm gonna cook them. And I have my rice already ready. Okay, let me see if it's kind of warm. Let me get my utensils. My spoon. Okay. And don't forget to leave some comments and suggestions down in the description box below. And let me know if you tried it and if you tried it like I did, or maybe you did something different to it, you know. Because a lot of people, they put different stuff in theirs. You know, they might put some celery in there, you know, or put broccoli in there, whatever you choose to put in there. But I'm just gonna do my shrimps. See, I only see the west side, but these I just do it like this. And I'm gonna put them in this together. Then you let them cook, like I said, you know, like probably get tender. I don't like it tough, and I gotta chew all on it, you know, like it's a bubble gum, some bubble gum. I use some gum. I use some gum, and I'm gonna do a little something extra for tenderizer. Oh there, make it a little bit more tender. Yeah, but if y'all have some ideas or some recipe that you might want me to try, let me know. Leave it in the description box down there. I'll try it. I know, you know, I'll probably fix it to my liking, but, you know, I'll try it. You can get a general idea of the way you want it done. Try not to break my nails. Alright, it should have took me a little while to do them, so, you know, that's it. What, 600 rice I use to. You can use whatever chicken rice you know your flavor, Lawry's or you know. Yeah, see. I normally let these cook till they get like about halfway done. Then I put the rice in there. Can you see what I'm doing? Then I put the rice in there and let it cook. Put some onions in there. I love my onions so I can never have too many. you just flavor up food so good, so it's always good to have the onions in it. You see, okay. It's gonna be delicious, and it don't take a long time to cook it either. They cook in cats and dogs up in the Chinese food places, so it's best that I cook my food that way. I basically know what I'm getting. I mean, they mess with all the food, but at least I basically know what I'm getting when I do it myself. So you know how that is. We have to roll with the punches, you know. So let this cook a little bit. I'll be back. Okay, y'all. Now you see how the shrimp is done. Get halfway done. I'm finna add my rice. And I'm gonna add about a fourth stick of butter to it. Mix it up like so. And I also add my other onions in here. And my pepper. Different color peppers put a nice little color to it too, to any food. Soup, stew, you name it. I like them for the flavor. They just flavor off the stew so good. Okay. Okay. We're gonna let all that cook together. I'm gonna put my butter in there as well. Almost a half, still not quite a half. So about like that, right there. Just put it down in the middle there. And leave it down in the description box if you did yours a little bit different, or if you add a little bit more different things to it, different items to it. Put it down in the description box. Maybe I could try it your way as well. As long as it's to my liking. You let your rice get as brown as you want it to get, It's brown. good already. Gotta get the work done. It's so delicious, so tantalizing, yeah. And it is delicious too. So delicious. Give it a chance to cook and get brown. I'll be back. Okay, y'all. See how it's the cooked rice, the cooked. Some might eat it. You know, you might be ready to eat it just like that. But I like my rice done. I like the put my soy sauce on there. Soy sauce, whatever soy sauce you like. You know, you can. Or mix that up like so. Real good. Then, like I said, you know, somebody, you know, you might want to go out and eat yours like that, but I'm gonna put a little water in mine. I'm not trying to use the whole cup. I'm just gonna use probably half of it. And let it just simmer. So my rice can cook the rest of the ways, because it's about half done, but some people like this like that, I know. Okay, see how much I'm using? It's about a half. Like I said, about a half. A little bit more than a half. That's what I use. Okay. And I'm gonna let this simmer. Get that rice done. And come back and show y'all what it looks like. It'll be done. It don't take it long. Hey, y'all know Mama Ray Ray? That's my sister. By another mother. Yeah, and it's because of her that I started this channel. Her and my son James, you know, he fix our houses. My daughter, she got one of those 360 cameras, you know. Anybody know anybody having a party or something, you know. Drop me a line down in the description box. I have another son, he got the Kim Free Cleaning Company. So if y'all need anything or interested in anything, drop me a message down in the description box and hey, we'll make it happen. Okay, I'll be back and let y'all see what it look like. Okay, guys, it's all done. And I'm finna get super out of there. Look at it. It's all. The rice is done. It's not overcooked. This right here. That's just the TV in the background. It's not mass, okay? Let's get that shrimp. See that shrimp? They kind of shrinked up a little bit, but it's still kind of big. Ask the Lord to bless the food. Jesus, bless us in your name. Jesus' name I pray. Mm, 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 mm. Mm, mm, mm. Okay, let's go. Mm, mm. Don't forget, in the comment, suggesting down in the description box. Let me know how you try yours. If you did something different to it. Don't forget to hit that like button, share, and subscribe. Hit that bell so you don't miss any of my video. Thank y'all so much for sharing this recipe. Y'all have a blessed evening. Stay safe out there. Until next time. Bye. I love you.